To try and be healthier, wealthier, and wiser. That's it.
In that particular order?
In order, I think probably wealthier, healthier, and then.
That's my man.
There's so many different, commercial opportunities for actors. That's another job. It's an interesting thing. देखना पड़ेगा अगर show मुझे suit करता है, अगर मैं कर पाऊँ. I think I could host something. I think I might enjoy it. Maybe either a talk show at some point, or maybe even a game, or some sort of reality show. It's an interesting thing. Something I've thought about, but nothing interesting right now.
But Saif, I heard that Sylvester Stallone suggested you to have Karina's face as a tattoo on your body. Yeah. So are you giving it a thought?
No, he didn't suggest that. He has an amazing tattoo of his beautiful wife on his shoulder, massive one. So he just suggested that I get mine darkened, or maybe add some red to it, or we discussed tattoos for a while. And he's a very nice man and very kind, and he called up his artist and made an appointment. But I think it's fine the way it is. So that's all we talked about.
So are you giving it a second thought over it?
No, not seriously. I think that this is, one tattoo is enough, really.
And Saif, we also heard that you're getting a bit too possessive about Karina. Is it true?
I've always been extremely possessive, but not like the way it's made out, really. It's a little bit embarrassing, some of the things that people think. But I can't clarify all that. Let's stick to toothpaste and competition.
Okay.
And freshes. Yeah. Great.
In the industry, ये जो दोस्ती जो बहुत रहती है, जैसे हमने भी सुना होगा शाहरुख और सलमान के बीच काफी झगड़ा हो गया. You are good friends with both of them. Yeah. Do you think कि जो इंडस्ट्री में जो पहले जितनी मजबूत दोस्ती हुआ करती थी, अब बहुत कम हो रही है?
I have nobody to comment on that.
Excuse me, 1 minute.
But still, as a colleague, what would you say?
I haven't got anything.
Please.